What's going on, everybody? It is Tuesday evening and gonna try to get some stuff done, so not a lot of talking, time to work. If you haven't guessed already, we're making thresholds. So I'm gonna run these through the planer. Right now they're 3/4 of an inch thick. I wanna get that down so it's not so thick. I rounded off both edges, so let's get them through the planer. If you want to make a mess really quick, then pull out the old planer. But got those planed down to size. Now they just need to be painted. Okay, so now that those are made and painted, we're going to let them dry and gonna try to put up some pieces of trim and try to get that finished out. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, it is Wednesday. The thresholds are nice and dry. Gonna get those put in today. And then I got to do something with that trimming job I did yesterday. It didn't work out the way I wanted it to. It's kind of a train wreck, where the stairwell kind of meets the landing up at the top. It looks horrible. So I'm going to take everything down in that area that I did yesterday and redo it and try to make it look decent. So here we go. All right, y'all, that's probably going to be it for tonight. Let me kind of show you what I did here. All right, so what I did, well, I'll show you here. So basically just kind of boxed it in. I got to do something there, something with that trim, do it like some kind of like return or something on there. And then I need to finish this little corner. And then here, it just went across, covered that. So what I'm gonna do is, and then I kind of just boxed it in all the way around there at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the wood putty to dry. Tomorrow I'll sand it, and like I said, finish this corner over here, and then I'll stain it the same color as the ceiling, so it just kind of flows and just kind of blends in. So see what we can get done. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for that video. I feel like it's gonna be kind of long. I'll do a part 2 to show you the rest of the results, and you know, get back to it. I mean, you know, some days you got extra time, you can work on that kind of stuff, and some days you don't. So anyway, that's life in Missouri. Later.